Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Draw and Smile. Please subscribe my channel. Today we are going to draw super cute fruits together. Let's start. First, draw two big eyes and draw a round shape for the apple. Now add a small leaf on the top and add a smiley face. So cute! Next, draw a mango. Add a small leaf on the top and then draw a mango shape like a soft oval. Add one eye winking and a tiny smile. So adorable! Now next draw a banana. Draw a curved shape and open the peel like petals. Add a happy face in the middle. So funny. Now draw a strawberry. First, draw a leaves on the top. Draw a heart-like shape for the strawberry and add a small dot for the seeds. Now draw a cute face and a smile. So yum! Let's draw our cherries. First, draw up 4 small circles for the eyes. Draw 2 big circles for the cherries. Connect them with the streams. Add a small leaf. Add tiny smiles on both best friends. And the last, draw an avocado. First, draw 2 cute eyes and then draw an oval shape for the avocado. Add a big seed in the center. Now outline everything with a black marker to make it look so bright and beautiful. Now it's time to color. Let's make them bright and happy. Color the apple red and the leaves green. Now color the mango yellow. Fill the green color on the mango leaves. Color the banana bright yellow. Green color on the banana peel. Now color the strawberry red. a green color in strawberry leaves. Color the cherries dark red. Gee, all fruits look like a beautiful. Finally, in the last, color the avocado green with the brown seeds. Wow, look at your cute fruits. Great job, little artists. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and draw again with me. Bye bye.